What are two things that are always in your refrigerator?
Minced garlic and vanilla. Yes, I do use the minced garlic stuff in the jar regularly. I do have fresh garlic bulbs, but most of the time the jarred stuff works just fine. On the other hand, I did make the investment and actually got vanilla beans and have made my own vanilla extract. I keep that all the time, and I've been doing this for the last few years now. And that is such a great investment. Vanilla extract is so expensive these days, well, even before these days, and it is so worth it to make your own.